Hello snake enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the coastal tiger carpet python, a captivating and striking serpent species that adds a touch of elegance to your reptile collection. But before we delve in, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. The coastal tiger carpet python, scientifically known as Morelia spilota mcdowelli, is a captivating snake species native to the northern regions of Australia, including the coastal areas of Queensland. Known for its stunning and intricate pattern, the coastal tiger carpet python exhibits a mix of dark and light colors arranged in a distinctive tiger stripe pattern along its body. These pythons are part of the carpet python complex, which encompasses several subspecies with variations in coloration and patterns. In their native range, coastal tiger carpet pythons inhabit a diverse array of environments, from woodlands and tropical rainforests to savannas and coastal heathlands. Their adaptability to different habitats has contributed to their widespread distribution, known for their relatively large size and docile temperament. These pythons are popular choices among reptile enthusiasts and are often kept as pets in captivity. However, responsible ownership is crucial to ensure the well-being of these snakes and to prevent potential negative impacts on native ecosystems if they are released into non-native areas. They thrive in a well-maintained vivarium with appropriate temperature gradients. Carpet pythons are carnivores, and their diet consists of rodents and appropriately sized prey. Maintaining proper temperature, humidity, and providing a secure hiding spot are crucial for their well-being. Coastal tiger carpet pythons are relatively moderate in maintenance and adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of reptiles. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, may your reptile collection thrive, and may your encounters with the coastal tiger carpet python bring elegance and natural beauty to your snake keeping adventures. Farewell and happy snake keeping.